A massive nor'easter barreling down on the East Coast tonight as we take a live look here in Philadelphia. You can see that snow coming down pretty hard in front of this camera. Let's take it full here. People will be feeling this winter storm down from Delaware up to Massachusetts. Some areas will see wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour, and some will see up to 2 feet of snow. CBS News Miami Chanel Call explains how cities across the East Coast are preparing.
In Boston, city officials are preparing for what's expected to be the biggest winter storm in years.
We're seeing that the rate of snowfall could be upwards of an inch, 2 inches an hour. That will be whiteout conditions.
This as area residents are still cleaning up from the last snowstorm.
This is going to be a different type of storm because it's going to be heavy snow rather than the last storm.
Hardware stores are selling out of storm supplies.
Sleds, shovels, ice melt, ice chippers, and everything is sold out everywhere.
New York City, still recovering from the storm that blanketed the area last month, is preparing for up to 2 feet of snow, prompting schools to issue cancellation notices for Monday.
In total, the storm is projected to drop between 18 and 24 inches across New York City, coming up to 28 inches in certain areas. New York City has not faced a storm of this scale in the last decade.
Members of the New York National Guard have been activated and will be staged across Long Island, New York City, and the lower Hudson Valley. New York's Governor Kathy Hochul also deploying this new snow and ice rescue vehicle.
They're able to pick up people who are stranded in their vehicles and transport 20 at a time.
Thousands of flights have been canceled at major airports. In Miami, travelers scrambled to catch the last available flights back to the Northeast on Sunday. The powerful nor'easter is expected to impact residents from Delaware to Massachusetts, with wind gusts reaching up to 55 miles per hour before the storm subsides midday Monday. Chanel Call, CBS News, New York.